They are using the people of the Bronx and this community in a political game between Governor Abbott, the mayor of New York City, and the president of the United States.
A number of neighbors gathered at the Orchard Beach parking lot to say that this site is unsuited to receive the hundreds of migrants still arriving most days by bus from the Texas border.
We know they're beautiful people. We know this is inhumane for any human being to live in. That's why children aren't in this structure. It's inhumane.
How dare they put immigrants in a flood zone during winter? We're in the middle of October and it's cold already.
But the rally was not purely a good faith attempt to raise concerns. A number of the speakers, including local Republicans and conservatives, referred to the migrants destined for this place as
illegal border crossers.
They're here illegally.
They crossed the border illegally and they need to go back.
Those arriving on the buses are asylum seekers, including many children who've been allowed into the country while their claims are being processed. But the concerns about safety and flooding have dogged Mayor Adams since he announced the plan a few weeks ago. He continued to downplay them Monday, even though the tent encampment saw some flooding during the weekend rainstorms.
We're going to make sure people are safe. We're going to make sure we provide the services, and if need be, we'll pivot and shift as needed. And we're not at that place right now.
Adams did say the migrants arriving here for up to 96 hours of processing would not be subject to any sort of security screening process, though he made a generic promise the city would secure the site.
My responsibility is to make sure that the communities where we have any shelter, migrants or not, that is safe. And we're going to continue to do that.
And the mayor still leaving open the possibility of more encampments like this at other big parking lots around the city, and says his administration still talking to those cruise ship companies about providing thousands of additional spaces for migrants to stay while they are in the city, but no specifics announced today.